Claude Cowork versus Claude Code. What is the real difference between Claude Cowork and Claude Code? Both are powered by Anthropic's Claude AI, but they are built for different users and workflows. In this video, I'll compare them side by side, features, pricing, best use cases, and which one you should choose in 2026. Let's get straight into it. What is Claude Cowork? Claude Cowork is designed as an AI collaboration assistant. Think of it as a smart teammate for everyday work, writing, research, brainstorming, and project organization. Key strength: natural language conversations, document analysis and summarization, email drafting and professional writing, task planning and idea generation. Works well for non technical users. You don't need to know any coding to use Cloudy Cowork. It is built for marketers, students, entrepreneurs, and office teams who just want AI to help them think and create faster. What is Cloudy Code? Cloudy Code is completely different. This is a developer focused AI environment made specifically for programming. Main features: generates real working code, debugs errors and explains them, understands entire code bases, runs inside your terminal or IDE, helps with automation and scripts. And instead of chatting about general topics, Cloudy Code acts like a coding partner that lives inside your development workflow. Core differences. Let's break this down in simple terms. Purpose: Cloudy Cowork, general productivity and creative work. Cloudy Code, software development only. Interface: Cowork, chat style documents, projects. Code, terminal and editor integration. Skill level: Cowork, beginner friendly. Code requires coding knowledge. Output type: Cowork, text, ideas, plans, analysis. Code, programs, scripts, technical solutions. So if you are not a developer, Cloudy Code will feel overwhelming, and if you are a developer, Cowork will feel too basic. What each one does best. Cloudy Cowork is best for writing YouTube scripts and blogs, summarizing long PDFs, curating business plans, brainstorming content ideas, replying to emails, learning new topics. It is like an intelligent office assistant that never gets tired. Cloudy Code is best for building web apps, fixing bugs, refactoring old projects, explaining complex code, writing tests, automating tasks. This is more like a junior developer that works at machine speed. Accuracy and performance. Both tools use Cloudy's advanced AI model, but they behave differently. Cowork focuses on language quality and reasoning. It's great at sounding human, organized, and professional. Code focuses on logic and syntax. It understands programming rules, frameworks, and project structures. In coding tasks, Cloudy Code is far more reliable. In writing or research, Cloudy Cowork wins easily. Pricing difference. Pricing can change, but the general model looks like this. Cloudy Cowork, usually subscription based for general AI usage, cheaper for everyday tasks. Cloudy Code, often higher price, aimed at professionals who build software. If you just need AI for normal work, Cowork is more affordable choice. Pros and cons. Cloudy Cowork pros: easy for anyone, great writing quality, fast research help, no technical skills needed. Cloudy Cowork cons: not ideal for serious coding, limited developer tools. Cloudy Code pros: deep programming knowledge, works with real projects, excellent debugging, saves developers hours. Cloudy Code cons: not useful for non-coders, steeper learning curve. So these are Cloudy Code cons. Which one should you choose? Choose Cloudy Cowork if you are a content creator, a student or researcher, business owner, marketer, someone who just wants AI to help with daily tasks. Choose Cloudy Code if you are a developer, learning programming, building apps, working with GitHub projects. And simple rule: words and productivity equal cowork, programming and software equal code. Can you use both? Yes, and that is actually powerful. Many people use Cowork for planning projects, then use code to build the technical part. They complement each other instead of competing. Conclusion: Cloudy Cowork and Cloudy Code are not rivals. They are tools for different worlds. Cowork equals smart assistant for everyday knowledge work. Code equal AI pair programming for developers. Pick based on what you actually do, not what sounds cooler. If you enjoyed this comparison, please hit the like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and for more AI tools breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. And see you in the next comparison video.